at Mezoma.
I love you all, my subscribers. Hello everyone, Happy New Year to everyone. And today I'm out with my sister here, Evangelist Mhasi here, and Miss Medongunuo, and my brother Shurozetuo. He's out right now. So we're going to adventure some of the place. So wait and watch what we're going to do. See you there. Right now we are going to have our lunch. This is Medo. This is Evangelist Mhasi. So we have specials.
Pork with bamboo shoot.
Okay.
I think this is the chicken.
Chicken, innards, and then smoked pork
Yeah, this is the one.
with akune. Wow. And
We're
this
all
is
hungry.
Shurozetuo, Mr. Shurozetuo. Sir Shurozetuo.
Yo.
Yeah. Please enjoy.
Sure.
So this is our New Year trip. Yeah. Continue to watch. Finally, we are done with our food, and you know, here is one of here is the art of our Miss Medongunuo. So it's a mistake. We are sorry on behalf of our group. Hello everyone, we have reached one of our destinations in Mezoma. So we are exploring a thing now.
A place new.
A place.
So this is a picnic.
Wow.
There is the biggest star in Nagaland. The biggest star.
Wow. Wow. Mezoma. So Mezoma is this area. This is the Mezoma village, and that's Kohima village and Chesama village. The view there, and here it's Konama, the green village. So we are here at Mezoma now. This is beautiful, really wonderful, refreshing.
Hello, ma'am. How are you feeling?
I'm feeling good.
Georgia. Her name is Georgina, and her name is Manya from Money. We have a beautiful view from the top of the village of Mezoma. So I'm letting you to see the view. Here's the footstep. This is one of the biggest star that I've seen. Here's a viewpoint, but it's closed right now. This is my first New Year trip vlog. Yes, trip as well as vlog. It's amazing. The place is so refreshing. You can do visit this place. It's really beautiful. Here's our videographer. I love you all my subscribers.
Hello everyone, we're at Medongunuo.
So with 3 Sunday school teacher, I'm enjoying with them. I'm having a good time with them.
She's Georgina from India.
Yeah, I'm Georgina
She
from
will be joining
India.
us till
I
Sunday
left my
Sunday program and she will be going back.
I left my husband
Rolando.
Rolando at Kerala. So then bye, literally.
Hello, ma'am. So, what's your greatest fear?
My greatest fear, if people fall in love with me.
So, ma'am, who is your inspiration? Hello, ma'am. So, who is your inspiration?
It's a secret.
We are here in Kehe Nature Nest, Mizoma. It's really beautiful, refreshing. Just look the view, just watch out. And we also have this tree house. So they are going up. Whoa! Hello, Mhasi! Hello, Mhasi! Oh! Oh! It's secured. So, go up. Whoa! Finally, she has reached. I'm climbing up here in the tree house. Whoa! It's refreshing and it's really good. I love adventure in places. So, see. Just check out.
Hello, ma'am, Georgina. So, where are you?
Brasileño all the way from Kohima. And she's an
Finally.
evangelist. And then right now she's she's
Finally, we are here.
Where are you right now?
right now we are at Medongunuo village. We are at
This is Georgina.
Georgina from Georgia.
And she's climbing this tree.
but this is a little bit
Literally, you know.
I'm like supposed to a little bit scary. You know. Literally.
Literally.
Our modular is coming down. Our Miss Nagaland.
The steps are very small and then it's little risky again. Nah. Big people look risky. Very small. No? Random.
There's a beautiful viewpoint. That's the place we went first. These people are enjoying the view, no? Priya!
Here view hirama.
지가 넣나 미니 뭐 지가 다 썼나
Minute bucket hala.
지가 다
Actress.
썼나 지가 다 썼어 지가
Priya.
아니 그거자
Actress, director, everything. Film director, videographer. Wow! The famous actress from Nagaland. The actor. Rahul.
Rahul.
Priya and Rahul.
Best videographer Priya.
Woo! Wow! Okay. Look for that position.
We are done with our adventures in Mezoma. It's a beautiful place, so you can do visit this place. So continue to watch what we are going to do next. See you.
Hello. Hello guys. Right now we're going back to Kohima. Literally no. Mezoma was a beautiful village, and then I'm feeling shy. Please don't do that to me. End of the day. Bro, why so tired? Because of this dairy milk, I'm going to sacrifice my hand, and then I'm going to get one bullet. Because of this dairy milk.
Shoot it!
Ready?
One,
Praise the Lord.
1, 2, 1, 2, go! So, how is it? How is it? How is it?
It was painful, but it was
Worth it.
This is for you, Medongunuo.
Thank you. Finally.
Last guys doing business with you.
Hello guys. Today I'm going to advertise this glass rain. Don't come. This is glass rain. It is good for our skin, especially during winter. So it helps our skin glow. It helps our skin too. Bangles.
Hello everyone, so after a long ride to
Everyone is so tired.
a few places we are
We have been to
here,
only Mezoma.
we're here at this bambusa. So we're gonna have our light dinner. Light dinner. After that, reaching our home, we're gonna have a heavy dinner.
Only lemon tea.
So we don't watch, okay? Light dinner. Finally, we are done with our.
I didn't eat anything.
She didn't eat anything. Just the empty plate is there. Hello everyone. So thank you so much for watching. We are completing here our vlog.
So we're going back home. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. We're leaving him.
Bye.
Yes, go fast, yes, yes. Yeah, bro. Yeah.